Welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 111. Number 1. Pumped, plumped, tramped, damped, jumped, encamped, exempt. Number 2. Presumption, resumption, exemption, assumption, redemption, temptation, extinction. Number 3. Function, sanction, anxious, anxiety, anguish, languish, sanctuary. Number 4. Pessimist, pessimistic, optimist, optimistic, post, postage, postpone. Number 5. Punctual, punctuate, compunction, strong, strongest, distinct, distinctly. Number 6. Postry, postscript, postage stamp, substitute, substitution, waistcoat, wasteful. Number 7. Mistake, mistaken, mostly, blast, blast furnace, testimony, testimonial. Full stop.